In our topic median statistics, today we have to solve the examples of median. How to solve? Here we have to apply the formula. Median is equal to L plus n upon 2 minus f divided by small f into h, where L is the lower limit of the median class. Small f is the frequency of the median class. H is the class width. So substituting these values, we can find the median. Here we will see one example. If the median of the given distribution is a 28.5, find the value of x and y. Class intervals are given 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, and 50 to 60. The frequencies are given here below. That is number of students. Frequency is 5. Frequency is x, 20, 15, y, and 5. But the total number of students are 60. Means sum of the frequencies is 60. And now we will write the cumulative frequency table. So in the first column there is class intervals 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, and 50 to 60. In the second column we have written frequencies. So frequencies are 5, x, 20, 15, y, and 5. And cumulative frequencies are first 5, then 5 plus x, that is 5 plus x, then 5 plus x plus 20 is 25 plus x, 25 plus x is 15, plus 15 is 40, 40 plus x, 40 plus x plus y is equal to 40 plus x plus y, and 40 plus x plus y plus 5, it will be 45 plus x plus y. Here total cumulative frequency, that is 45 plus x plus y, and its value is 60. So here 60 is equal to 45 plus x plus y. And now we will find the answer, that is the values of x and y. First of all, median is given that 28.5, n is given 60, and therefore n upon 2 is equal to 30. Here median 28.5 lies in the class, that is 25 plus x, and in the class interval, its class interval is 20 to 30, which is the median class, and therefore the lower limit, that is L is equal to 20, here h is equal to 10, small or frequency of the median class is 20, f is equal to 20, then f means cumulative frequency is just above the median class, so it will be 5 plus x. Then substituting we will write the first formula, that is median is equal to L plus n upon 2 minus f divided by small f into h. Now substitute the values. Median is given 28.5, then L is 20 plus n upon 2, that is 30, so 30 minus f means frequency is 5 plus x divided by small f means frequency of median class is 20 into h is 10, means class width is 10. Here we will get 28.5 is equal to 20 plus 30 minus 5 plus x minus x divided by 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are, so we will get 2 at the denominator, and therefore 28.5, this plus 20 will become minus, so minus 20 is equal to 30 minus 5, that is 25, minus x upon 2. So here 28.5 minus 20, it will be 8.5. This 2 will multiply to 8.5. So 8.5 into 2 is equal to 25 minus x, and therefore x is equal to 25 minus 17, and therefore x is equal to 8. 25 minus 17, it will be x. Now we know the 45 plus x plus y is equal to 60. 45 plus x plus y is equal to 60. So 45 plus value of x is 8 plus y is not known. So put as it is, and that is equal to 60, and therefore y is equal to 60 minus 45 plus it will be 53. So 60 minus 53, and y is equal to, we will get 7. So y is equal to 7 and x is equal to 8 is our answer. Now here we will see the next point of this topic, that is mode. First of all, we will see what is the definition of the mode. Here the mode of the, or the modal value, mode or the modal value of a distribution is that the value for which the frequency is maximum. Here the formula for the mode is equal to L plus f small f minus f1 divided by 2f minus f1 minus f2 into h, where L is equal to lower limit of the modal class, then h is equal to class width, f1 is equal to frequency of the class preceding the modal class, and f2 is the frequency of the class following the modal class. So we will see one example, that is compute the mode for the following frequency distribution. Here size of the items, that is 0 to 4, 4 to 8, 8 to 12, 12 to 16, 16 to 20, 20 to 24, 24 to 28, 28 to 32, then 32 to 36, and 36 to 40. So these are the class, and we know the width of each class is 4, because difference of 4 and 0 is 4, 8 and 4 is 4, 12 and 8 is also 4. So class width means h is equal to 4. Here frequencies are given 5, 7, 9, 17, 12, 10, 6, 3, 1 and 0. Now here if we observe the frequencies, then it is seen that the maximum frequency is 17. Maximum frequency is 17, and therefore its class means related class is 12 to 16, which is the modal class, and therefore in the data maximum frequency is 17 and corresponding class, that is 12 to 16, and hence 12 to 16 is the modal class, and therefore L is equal to 12, means lower limit is 12, frequency of the modal class is 12, h is 4, f1 means frequency of the class preceding the modal class, that is preceding class is 8 to 12 and its frequency is 9, and so f1 is 9, and f2 means frequency of the class following the modal class, that is 12. So 12 is the f2, and now substituting the values, corresponding values in the formula, we will get here mode is equal to L plus f minus f1 divided by 2f minus f1 minus f2 into h is equal to L is 12 plus f is 17 minus f1 is 9 divided by 2 into F is 17 minus F1 is 9 minus F2 is 12 into H means 4. So here 12 plus 17 minus 9, that is 8, divided by 17 to the 34 minus 9 and minus 12, it will be minus 21. So 34 minus 21 into 4. Here 12 plus 8 divided by 34 minus 21 will be 13. Here 8 for the 32. And now 32 upon 13, we will get 2.46. And therefore 12 plus 2.46, that is equal to 14.46, and therefore mode is equal to 14.46.